Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. And how are you?
I'm also good. Open your camera. Why are you not coming to school?
Ma'am, I have some transportation issues.
Okay. And Bhavya is not being connected to audio. Let's wait for her. Okay, good afternoon, Bhavya.
Good afternoon.
Bhavya, you were there in class day before, na? On Tuesday, I guess.
Yes.
Yes. So you're attending both modes, offline, online, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Today you were not in school. Why so?
Ma'am, due to some reason, mom said to stay home.
Okay. Now both of you, please open your cameras. And send me the PDF of next chapter, that is Mon Pays, La France, because my book is
Ma'am,
left in
have
school.
you checked our half-yearly answer sheets?
Yes, beta. Today only I have completed your class. I have your marks before me, both of you. Angel and Bhavya. Oh, coincidentally, both of you have scored same marks. Now let me keep it a suspense. You must see it in the report card only. Open your camera, girls. What's wrong?
Ma'am, I have some network issues today.
Okay, I will also close my camera now. Fine.
Ma'am, you want the PDF of chapter 3?
Yes, beta. Chapter 3. Have you done chapter 3, Angel? Were you there in school?
No, ma'am, I was not there, but ma'am, my friends were there, and the offline work was sent on the group. So I just मैंने ये अपने आप समझ लिया चैप्टर और कर भी लिया.
Very nice. Very good. And Bhavya, it would be a revision for you because I'm going to read out the chapter once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I would want you to explain the chapter now in the class. Will you be able to do so?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Send the PDF. Angel, are you clicking pictures?
Yes, ma'am. Just sending.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am sent.
In which group, beta? Where have you sent? To me personally? Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, you have done everything. So now both of you are going to read it. Okay. One line Angel and one line Bhavya. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start reading. Angel, start.
Lesson 3, Chapter 3, Mon pays la France. My country, France. Voici la carte de mon pays, la France. This is the map of my country, the France. Paris es la capitale de la France. Paris is the capital of France.
Very nice. Voici la carte de mon pays. Paris est la capitale de la France. Okay, before this, there is something written in the hexagon along with the map. Bhavya, read that.
Okay, ma'am. On appelait la France, la hexagone, parsi couer up plus au monde la forme des quatre figures géométriques.
Okay, now what it is? On appelle la France. It's on appelle la France, l'hexagone. Parce qu'elle a plus ou moins la forme de cette figure géométrique. Now what it means? On stands for one. Like in English also, we often use this term, one must respect the elders, one must do this, one must. So it is a general thing. We use it as one, right? Yes or no? You've heard this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now that one is used as on in French. On appel, that means one calls France hexagon, or we call France hexagon. Parsk. Now what is this Parsk? Parsk stands for because. Parsk, elle a plus ou moins. It is more or less. It has more or less the form of this figure, this geometric figure. Yes, we all have learned in class 6 also that France is known as hexagon because it is 6-dimensional in shape, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now they have
Yes, ma'am.
used the same line but in French. On appelle la France hexagon parce qu'elle a plus. Pasque L. Now pasque is because, and L has been used for the country France, right? And what they have done, because pasque ends with E letter, so we cancel out one E and put apostrophe and we join L with that. Do you understand what they have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pasque L A again comes from avoir verb. It has plus ou moins, that is more or less. We also use we use more or less term in English also. It's more or less like this. Yes. Now in French we use it as plus ou moins. Now write it. Write the translation of this one. Now next would be Bhavya, your turn to read. After writing it, just read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavya read it. Angel, it's your turn, beta.
Ma'am, I read. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what do we call Y?
What? What do we call?
Ma'am, IL, then YA.
Tilia.
il y a cinq fleuves importants en France. There are five major or important rivers in France.
Yes.
La Seine,
Okay,
La
wait.
Loire,
Now, see, the understanding part, I'm very happy that you people understand each and everything in chapters now. It is like hardly 1 or 2 words that you have to ask me. The rest you all do on your own. But beta, you really have to work, all of you have to work very hard on your pronunciation. Il y a cinq fleuves. Now, what is the pronunciation of EU? When EU comes together, we call them phonetics, right? When EU comes together, what pronunciation do we give? We don't call it EU. In French, we call it a, like number 2, the. You people often make mistake by saying it dukes, right? So it's not dukes. Similarly, in fleuve, in the word fleuve, you're calling it fleuve, which is not fleuve. Fleuve is wrong. It's fleuve. Il y a cinq fleuves importants, right? Say it once again.
Ma'am, il y a fleuve,
Il y a cinq fleuves. Il y a cinq fleuves.
il y a fleuve. Ma'am, importance, what we call?
Importants.
Important.
Very nice. Importants en France.
Important à France.
Yes. Now, what are the names of the rivers?
La Seine, La Loire, ma'am, what
Garonne.
is this? Garonne, Le Rhône, et Le Rhin.
Et le Rhin. Le Rhône et le Rhin. Then, Bhavya. Now, these are what? Angel, these are the names of important rivers, right? Five
Ma'am, major
important,
or important rivers.
yes, major rivers or important rivers. Then, Bhavya.
La Seine traverse la ville de Paris.
What is the meaning of this line?
Ma'am, the river Seine crosses the city of Paris.
Yes. La Seine traverse la ville de Paris. Then next line.
Les montagnes principales de la France sont les Pyrenees, dons in the south. Ma'am, what is the southwest?
Yes. We call it Sud-West. Sud-West.
Sud-west.
Yes.
La Alps dans la sud et
Dans le Sud. Sud.
sud.
Yes. Now, les montagnes principales de la France sont les Pyrénées dans le sud-ouest et les Alpes dans le sud. Okay, Alps is in the southeast and les Pyrenees is in the southwest direction. Then next line.
Les pays voisins de la France sont au nord la Belgique et l'Angleterre, à l'est l'Allemagne, la Suisse et l'Italie, au sud l'Espagne.
Okay. Les pays voisins. What is the word? Voisins. Les pays voisins de la France sont au nord la Belgique et l'Angleterre. It's clear till here? The neighboring countries of France are in the north. Now see, one more important and interesting thing here that I am noticing right now. Before north direction, what they have put AU, right? And before east direction, what they have put ALA. That means east is feminine and north is?
Masculine.
Yes, masculine. Did you notice it before it?
No, ma'am.
And even south is masculine. Then further we have, as we move ahead, Ale. Now Ale is in the east or to the east. Almone, la Suisse et l'Italie. Au sud, l'Espagne. Yes, so what we'll remember is north and south are masculine gender, east, west are feminine gender. Then next line, whose turn?
Ala U il ma'am ILYA ma'am.
Ilya.
Ilya la ocean Atlantic.
L'océan
L'océan
Atlantique. Now in the west.
in the west there is the Atlantic Ocean.
Yes. Then next.
La Manche sépare la France de l'Angleterre.
What is it?
Ma'am, means the Manche separates the France
What
and
is
the
Manche? What is Manche?
ma'am, something that separates the country.
Okay. This Manche is the French word for English Channel Sea. You've heard of the English Channel? English Sea, Suna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Tunnel.
Yes, ma'am.
Padha hoga, I'm sure. So that in French is called La Manche. La Manche sépare la France de l'Angleterre from England. Then further, what is it? Angel?
Ma'am, la France is connu for says fromages le Camembert, le Brie, le Rochefort, sa cushion, est sa perfumes, Chanel, Christian Dior, Paco Rabanne, etc. France is known for its cheeses. For example, this, its kitchen and its perfumes.
Yes. La France est connue pour ses fromages. Le Camembert, le Brie, le Roquefort. Sa cuisine, her cuisine. And also ses parfums. That is Chanel, Christian Dior, Paco Rabanne.
Ma'am, Christian Dior, ma'am, means, ma'am, the man perfumes.
No.
Ma'am, in the early book of written, it is like man is called as Christian Dior.
No. That was Yves Saint Laurent. That man, that designer. Christian Dior is a designer. So the its perfumes are also quite famous over there. They have been originated from France. We get them all over the world. So they come from France. They belong to France. Yes. So we are done with this chapter here. Now see beta, what I made children in offline class do is, Angel, that you're supposed to write. I'll write in the chat box and you have to write it in your copy. Now what it is? Bhavya, what was the first thing that you wrote? Cinq fleuves, right?
Yes, ma'am, about the
Ma'am, I did
important and mountains, and about the cheese and perfumes.
You have written it in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Already you've done it, beta. Okay. So all this was to be written. Then these exercises also you have done. You've done the question answers also.
Yes, ma'am. In the copy also I have done. And I have written the nationalities also.
Okay, but still, for those who will see the recording later, let's just do these question answers once again. Now, the first one, cocher le bon réponse, that is, tick the correct option. The first one, read it out, Bhavya.
L'océan Atlantique est, ma'am, option C, à l'ouest.
À l'ouest. L'océan Atlantique est à l'ouest. Atlantic Ocean is in the west. Second, Angel.
Le monde sépare la France. Option A, de la Angleterre.
De l'Angleterre. The English Channel separates France from England. Then third one.
Les Roquefort est à, option A, fromage.
Le Roquefort est un fromage. Very nice. Dites vrai ou faux. First one.
La Belgique est au sud de la France. False, because it is in the north.
Very nice, because it is in the north. La Belgique est au sud de la France. Faux. Second.
Le Rhône est à fleuve, ma'am, Ray.
Ray. Le Rhône est un fleuve. Ray. Then.
La Loire traverse la ville de Paris. False, because the river Seine crosses the city of Paris.
Very nice. Very good. Next.
La France est connue pour sa cuisine. Ray.
Ray. France is known for its cuisine. Yes. The next.
Le Brie est une sorte de win. False, it is a kind of fromage.
Very good.
Cheese.
Le Brie est une sorte de vin. Faux. Then, répondez aux questions. Answer the following questions. Now, what you're going to do, you are going to answer these questions. I'm putting up the question. Nommez les pays voisins de la France. I want the answers in full sentence. Nommez les pays voisins de la France. Who will tell the answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, tell.
Les pays voisins de la France sont au nord la Belgique et l'Angleterre, la Est, l'Allemagne, la Suisse et Italie, au sud la Espagne.
Espagne. That's what. Because western side there is no country, right? So we are not going to name Atlantic Ocean. On the
Ma'am,
west,
I have written about Atlantic Ocean.
but it is not required, na beta. See, understand the question. Name the neighboring countries. So this is all we are supposed to write. If the question would have been name the surroundings of France, then Atlantic Ocean is a must to write. But right now in this answer, you need not write. Then, nommez de fromage français.
Ma'am, trois fromage français sont les Camembert et les Brie.
Et le
मैम मैं शुरू से बोल देती हूँ.
okay.
Trois fromage français sont les Camembert et les Brie.
Le Brie. Okay. The fromage de France sont le Camembert et le Brie. Then next, nommez de fleuve français.
The flow process sont la Seine, le Rhône.
Very nice. La Seine et le Rhône. Nommez de montagnes en France.
Les trois montagnes en France sont les terrains dans les sud-ouest, les Alpes dans les sud-est.
Okay. Les Pyrénées dans le sud-ouest, sorry. Sud-ouest, les Alpes dans le sud-est. Okay. Then now coming on to the next part. See, the whole table is given of new countries. We've done around 7-8 countries in class 6, right? Or class 7 with their nationalities. Now here is whole list of these countries along with their masculine and feminine nationality. You're supposed to make this entire table in your copy. Angel, have you done this work also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for the leftover time, let me just give you a little exercise in the chat box, for which you're supposed to write the nationalities. You're supposed to translate these sentences in the chat box only. Okay?
Ma'am, we don't have to do in the notebook.
No, no, don't do it. It's just for the class right now. Okay, the first sentence. Either you can send it to me directly or here only to everyone. The men are German. Very nice, Angel. Good. Bhavya, where is your answer? Bhavya, is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No, you found your own mistake.
Yes, ma'am. There shouldn't be single L.
Okay. After removing single L, you'll change it to LES, right?
Yes.
But also I can see, I can read wrong nationality written. Almond. Why E for men? When we are just talking.
Ma'am, might be because of the typo mistake.
Okay, beta. The next one. Have you? Yes. Okay, now Angel, I can find a mistake here. Can you find your mistake?
No, ma'am.
Meesa, Bhavya, you are correct this time. Beta, if you are using this army, which is used for masculine friends, male friends, then your nationality does not match with it. If you are using this nationality as correct, then your army does not match with it. They're not complementing each other. Why? Because one is for masculine, the other one is for feminine. You got that?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one last sentence. Very nice. Correct.
Ma'am, might be the spelling will be wrong of Mexican.
No, Mexican spelling is correct, but the spelling of Jolie does not complement the subject of the sentence. Tell me, Bhavya, what is the mistake in your sentence?
Ma'am, the S.
Yes, S in Jolie is missing. So that's all, I think. You're done with the chapter. Any doubts?
Ma'am, what all the chapters are coming in a unit second?
Beta, I think 2 chapters. This 3 and 4 chapter would be included in your UTs.
Ma'am, My Country, France, and The Parents of Manuel.
Yes, yes. The next chapter. I don't know. I don't have the book. Just the next chapter would be coming. Okay, shall I end the class now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.